PCSO, Pusong Pilipino, Pusong Panalo. Pusong Panalo.
Hindi umuurong sa
Magandang gabi po muli sa ating lahat. Simulan na natin ang third actual draw for SL draw number 3480. Pangasinan, let's play Mortal Lottery.
I'm ready.
Our first winning numbers, number 17. Number 17 is our first winning number. Ibabalik po natin ang unang numero para makasama sa pagpili ng ikalawang numero.
I'm ready.
Our second winning number is number 34. Number 34 is our second winning number. Pangasinan, our official winning combination for our 8:45 p.m. draw today are numbers 17 and 34.